In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your Wrike account. Open your favorite web browser, head over to the Wrike website, and log in. If you've linked your account to Google, feel free to use that option. It's quite handy. Once you're logged in, navigate directly to the project workspace where you want to make some changes. This might take a few moments depending on how your projects are organized, but no worries, we'll get there together. Now that you're in your project space, it's time to move on to the next step, identifying the column you want to get rid of. Take a look at your task table. This is where all your task data is presented. You'll see different columns corresponding to various attributes of your tasks, like task name, due date, assignee, and perhaps some custom fields. So go ahead and locate the column header that you no longer need. This might be one of those columns that clutter your view or simply isn't useful for your current needs. Once you've identified the column, let's talk about how to access its settings. Look for the three small dots next to the column header. These dots represent the options menu for that specific column. Go ahead and click on these dots. A drop-down settings menu will appear almost instantly. This menu will provide you with several options, including the action we're interested in today. Now you'll notice among the options is one labeled Hide Column. This isn't the same as deleting it permanently, but it does allow you to remove it from your view. It's a great option if you think you might want to restore the column later or if you simply want to clean up your workspace temporarily. So go ahead and click on Hide Column. Once you've taken that step, you should see that the column has disappeared from your task view. This makes your project table look much clearer, and you can focus on what's important without distractions. If you ever change your mind and want to bring that column back, just remember that it's still there in the background. You can go back to the settings menu for that table, usually found in the same spot, and you'll see an option that says something like Show Hidden Columns. Click on that, and your previously hidden column will reappear, ready for use again. And that's it. That's how you delete unwanted columns in Wrike, or rather, how to hide them so they're not cluttering your workspace. It's a quick and easy way to maintain a clean and organized project view, helping you focus on your tasks without unnecessary distraction. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial.